How to fix common errors in Facebook. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you fix common errors in Facebook. To fix common error in Facebook, you'll need to follow these steps. First of all, you could try or go with the basic steps. That is, hold on to your side button and then you could just go ahead and click on the restart button. That should be able to help. If the issue still persists on, next what you also do is you could open the settings app on your device. Locate apps from the list. Here it is, and then you want to go to the Facebook and click on storage and cache. As you click on storage and cache, make sure to clear cache as well as data, and that should be able to help. Now, other than that, what you could also do is you could also go ahead and check for an update. Sometimes it could be due to the outdated version, so make sure to go ahead and check your Facebook or the Play Store and update the app to the latest version. And if nothing works out, you could then simply uninstall the app and then restart your device at the same time, and that is going to help you out clear cache in Facebook. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.